Get up. Rise from bed. I get up at 6 a.m. every day. He got up late and missed the bus. Get in, enter, car, place. She got in the car and drove away. What time did you get in last night? Get on. Board a vehicle or have a good relationship. She got on the train at Lahore. I get on well with my classmates. Get out, leave, or exit. Get out of the car slowly. He told me to get out of the room. Get off. Exit, finish work. We got off the bus at the market. I get off work at 6 p.m. Get over, recover from illness or sadness. She got over the flu quickly. He finally got over his fear of flying. Get back, return. I'll get back to you tomorrow. She got back home very late. Get by, manage or survive. I can get by on a small salary. We got by with just one meal. Get ahead, progress or succeed. She wants to get ahead in her job. You need skills to get ahead today. Get along. With. Be friendly with. I get along with my coworkers. Do you get along with your brother? Get away. Escape. Go on holiday. They got away from the crowd. Let's get away for a weekend. Get across. Communicate clearly. He couldn't get his idea across. She got her message across well. Get rid of, remove or throw away. I need to get rid of this old table. She got rid of her bad habits. Get through. To complete or survive something difficult. She got through the exam easily. We'll get through this difficult time together. Get through. To connect with someone over the phone. I tried calling him, but I couldn't get through. After many tries, she finally got through to the customer service. Get through. To successfully explain or communicate. I just can't get through to him. The teacher managed to get through to the students. Get into, enter, become involved. He got into trouble again. She got into a good college. Get out of, avoid something. He got out of doing the dishes. Don't try to get out of your duties. Get down. Depress or write something. This weather gets me down. Get down the phone number quickly. Get together. Meet socially. Let's get together for dinner. We all got together on Eid. Get around. Travel or avoid rule. She gets around by bike. He got around the rule somehow. Get at. To hint or suggest something indirectly. What are you trying to get at? I don't know what he's getting at.